So I'm doing two projects. One is working on the front end because I want to put another little electric motor, trolling motor on the front. And I'm still working on I've got all of it apart. Still working on the steering wheel and the part that goes from the steering wheel back to the motor, and it helps the motor. It allows you to turn the motor to steer it. So it looks like I got a big mess, but it's not that bad. I actually built all of this, and I made this piece, this white piece, for the front of the boat. And I'm actually going to do a video on that, on how to upgrade your boat and post it on YouTube and show them where to buy all the parts to do it the right way. I hope you're doing great.